Remove the humidification chamber from the kit. Push down on the heater plate guard and slide the chamber onto the heater plate. Remove the spike line. Remove the humidification limb and overpressure relief valve from the kit. Attach the overpressure relief valve to the humidification chamber. Attach silicone limb to the white connector. Remove the purple heated inspiratory limb from the kit. Attach cable management clips and pressure line. Attach the purple heated limb to the chamber. Connect pressure line to manometer. Insert the heater wire cable into the heater wire outlet. Connect the cloverleaf connection to the inspiratory limb. Insert the temperature probe cable into the temperature probe outlet. Connect the T-piece probe to the chamber temperature port and quarter turn to secure. Connect the 90-degree probe to the airway temperature port and quarter turn to secure. Secure with cable management clips. Remove the bubble generator from the kit. Secure the bubble generator on a clamp. Remove the unheated expiratory limb from the kit. Connect the unheated expiratory limb to the bubble generator. Remove the NeoFlow from the kit. Connect the NeoFlow to the inspiratory and expiratory limbs. Fill the bubble generator with water. Spike a sterile water bag with the chamber water feed line. Turn on heater. Turn on O2 analyzer. Adjust flow and FiO2 as prescribed. Set desired positive airway pressure using PAP generator column.